In order for you to use the golden sound feature on your OnePlus Buds 4, you need to start by opening the HeyMelody app. From here, you're then going to scroll and select golden sound, and you can see this is already a profile that I've created. But if it's your first time, then you're just going to select start, and then it will give you the instructions on what exactly it's going to do. It's going to do a Canal scan as well as a hearing test. So in order for you to do this, you need to start by ensuring that you're wearing your earbuds. Once you've confirmed that you're wearing your earbuds, tap on continue, and then it will start scanning your canal by emitting sounds. So simply wait for the test to happen. Again, it will take about 7 seconds. And then once this canal scan is complete, you need to now take the hearing test. So tap on continue, and then you need to slide the slider until you can no longer hear any sound coming from your buds. When you can't hear a sound, just tap on next, and this is what it's going to be using to build up your hearing profile for golden sound. So go ahead and just go through that process. And then once it's done on the left, it will switch to the right hand side. So again, do the same things. And then simply, once you've done the last part, simply select Generate Scheme, and then confirm that you want to create a sound boost scheme. The test will be complete, and it will show you the difference once it's finished generating your sound scheme between what you are currently listening to versus what you will now be listening to. So you'll have before and after. So when you tap on before, you can see your sound profile. When you tap on after, you can now see the sound profile that they're using. So if you want to continue, just select apply, and that will be the record that you'll be using for your OnePlus Buds 4. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments about this feature, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.